Hola, amigos! Today I am super excited to share with you 30 essential Spanish words that will instantly boost your language skills. Whether you're planning a trip to a Spanish-speaking country or just want to expand your linguistic horizons, these words are your perfect starting point. Let's begin with the basics. Hola means hello and is how you say goodbye. Simple, right? Now, being polite is crucial in any language. So remember, por favor for please and gracias for thank you. These magic words will open many doors. You'll definitely need C for yes and no for, well, no. These are probably the easiest Spanish words you'll ever learn, since they're almost identical to English. Now, let's tackle the question words. They're super important for basic communication. Donde means where, que is what, quién means who, and por qué is why. Don't forget for how and for when. Notice how most Spanish question words have those upside-down question marks at the beginning. That's unique to Spanish. Moving on to people words. Hombre means man, mujer is woman, niño is boy, and niño is girl. See how similar Nino and Nina are? Just change that last letter, and you've changed the gender. For everyday objects and concepts, you'll want to know casa for house, agua for water, and comida for food. Amigo means friend. You probably knew that one already. For time expressions, da means day, and noche is night. Trabajo means work, and tiempo can mean both time and weather. Context is key here. Let's wrap up with some common adjectives. Bueno means good, while malo means bad. Grande is big, and pequeño means small. For emotions, you've got feelers for happy and tristes for sad. Here's a pro tip. Many of these words might sound familiar because English has borrowed from Spanish and vice versa. For example, grande is pretty similar to gran in English. Practice these words daily, and you'll be surprised how quickly they become natural. Try using them in simple combinations. You can already say things like, hola amigo. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips. Gracias por ver este video. Leave a comment below with your favorite Spanish word from today's lesson, and let me know what other Spanish topics you'd like to learn about. Hasta luego.